In a diverse nation like India, collaboration is the key to unlocking innovation and unprecedented growth and progress. The spirit of collaborative creation lies at the heart of Hitachi's culture, fueling its mission to contribute to society through the development of superior, original technology and products. Hitachi is working hand in hand with stakeholders across the business ecosystem in India to pioneer groundbreaking solutions that propel India's journey towards net zero by 2070 and shape a sustainable, innovative and interconnected future. From energy to mobility, payments to IT, e-education to e-healthcare, Hitachi India is partnering with governments, businesses, startups, communities and academia, among others, to synergize collective ideas, talents and opportunities. Together, we are not just building projects, we are building legacies that contribute to the sustainable growth of our nation and transform a billion lives.